Sunday home reset and a little bit of golfing. Hope you enjoy. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Berries, and we're back at the trailer now. We're doing a Sunday home reset. So let's get busy. Dave's emptied the cooler and got it all in the fridge. So that's looking pretty good. And we have all this stuff to put away. Okay, let's get some of this stuff put away. Organized a bit. These go on my seat. This goes on my seat. This can go in here. Hope you can see me.
Missed my nuts.
Oh, right. You didn't have any in town.
Nope.
Nope. Dave's putting some groceries away. The bread over there with the buns. Where do you want this towel?
I don't know.
Should chill some in the freezer. If it's any good, it might be mildew.
Maybe.
Huh?
So that one's moldy.
That one's moldy. Yeah. We can do.
This one here looks fine.
Maybe throw it in the freezer. Get a bin, gotta get a bin. Okay, now this stuff is in the bedroom, and I think I'm just gonna make the bed because it needs to be made. The bathroom's not in bad shape. Just gonna put my cushions outside eventually. And I'm gonna do something with shoes under the bed. That might be a tiny tidy. For now, I think I'm going to make the bed. Buddy. My little buddy. I think Buddy's hoping I'll go to bed. Yeah. I think Buddy's hoping I'll go to bed. Nice, clean, fresh duvet. There's clothes. I don't want the clothes. But I do want the sheets and the pillowcases. There's a pillowcase. Okay, let's get rid of the basket. Till it's time to put the clothes away. Okay. Always fun to make the bed. Is this your pillowcase? Let's put it first. Okay, come here you go. any new subscribers who have subscribed to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome to our family. And I'd like to say a huge thank you to all my regular subscribers who stick around and watch my videos. Thank you so much for giving me this time out of your day. I really, really do appreciate it. I hope you're all having a great summer. David and I are enjoying our home away from home. And we're riding our bike and golfing, and we're still got to get out kayaking. That should be fun. And in this video, you'll see us doing some golfing with our son. I hope you enjoy that. Okay, I'm going to play some music, and you get to watch me make my bed, which sometimes in a trailer is a little bendy, curvy, twisty, crawl on top kind of ordeal, but we get her done. And I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you. And if you like this content, give me a big thumbs up, please. Really helps my channel get out there. And if you could leave me a comment, that also really helps. And it's free to do all of this. And you get to watch my videos. If you press the little bell, it will give you a notice of when I put up videos. So, I hope you subscribe. And you can watch some of the shenanigans that my husband David and I get into. Could be fun. Anyhow, we're just a couple of old guys enjoying our lives. Hope you enjoy it too. Put some clothes away. Ow! Ooh, hurts my arm. It's my morning outfit. Okay, let's just put this stuff here. Shorts, top, David's, mine, David's, and David's. Good stuff. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. PJs for tonight. Let's see, there's a top. And there's a top. And vitamins, pills, deodorant, and a hairbrush. This can go back in my purse. Just go stuff can go in the bathroom and the kitchen. Okay, and we have our bed made. Okay, we got the bed made, we got the groceries all put away, everything's back in order. So we can start our week afresh. Dave will put his clothes in his closet and we'll be set to go. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Okay, hi, this is Sherry's Fairies and we're having a beautiful day for golf and we're in Lethbridge at Evergreen and we're going to have a very nice day for golf, and this is part of the golf course. Beautiful lake right there. This is a beautiful little course. Lots of sand traps. No, I'm going to video. And this is what we got to see on the 7th hole. Too funny, eh? All the cows and their babies. See that ball there? By the flag? That's my ball. And that was from the tee box. I did so good this time. Yay me! Hope you enjoyed this video of us golfing. And thanks for watching. Bye!